Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use QuickBooks to track expenses. First, connect your bank and credit card accounts directly to QuickBooks. This automates much of the data entry, saving you valuable time. Next, review and categorize each transaction. Accurate categorization is crucial for tax preparation and understanding where your money goes. You can also create custom expense categories to fit your specific business needs, ensuring every dollar is tracked precisely. This initial setup is key for effective financial management. Once your accounts are linked, you'll need to record transactions. For cash purchases or expenses not tied to a connected account, manually enter them into QuickBooks. Always attach digital copies of receipts or invoices to each expense entry. This provides essential documentation for audits and helps maintain clear records. For expenses that occur regularly, like rent or subscriptions, set them up as recurring transactions. This automates their entry, ensuring consistency and reducing manual effort each month. With your expenses recorded, regular review is essential. Periodically check for any uncategorized transactions and assign them correctly to ensure your financial data is accurate. Utilize QuickBooks to generate detailed profit and loss reports. These reports provide a clear overview of your income versus expenses, highlighting areas where you might be overspending or can optimize. Finally, easily prepare comprehensive expense reports for tax filing, investor reviews, or employee reimbursements, streamlining your financial processes. For more advanced tracking, leverage QuickBooks features to log mileage for business travel. This can lead to significant deductions. Always maintain a strict separation between personal and business expenses. Using separate accounts is highly recommended to avoid confusion. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other great deals. By consistently applying these practices, you'll gain a comprehensive understanding of your business finances, making informed decisions easier and tax time much less stressful. Keep your records tidy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.